So I guess we are filming now. So this one now is healed. How long has it been healed? About a month and a half, 2 months?
About 6-7 weeks.
Yeah, not that long. But yeah. So what did I use to make this? All the small little fine details I did with 3 round liner just to get into those little pockets, little areas. A lot of this is done with the black, and as you can see, these are solid but light areas. Hopefully you can see. And they are done with grey wash, dark, medium or something, but basically it's solid, but it had to be light. All this background is also solid done, and basically we will continue like it's not done. It will meet the other side, which I'll film in a second, but that's also light but solid, jam-packed. You can't even see the skin. It just looks like a wallpaper. Weirdly enough, you can see the white actually stayed on him, like nice snow white. Don't know if the video does it justice, but it is like a snow white. Black wise, I use dynamic triple black as I always do, which is that one there. And then grey wash wise, I do use solid ink grey wash because they're just nice, as you can see. So all this was, well, what you see black is probably done with the black, and then medium, and then lights. Shading wise, if I remember correctly, I did with like 23 mag, 15 or 23. Flowers, as you can see, I did touch a little bit green. I think the green is probably my favorite feature that makes the red. And then I was just about to leave black and grey, but then I thought a little bit green would do the magic, and then it did. All this consists of, I think, 5 colors. I had like a brownie red, and then we had like a red, then we had like a orangey, which gives nice highlights. Then I had like a solid red, and there was something else that I used to kind of merge those colors in between. Here, to get like a earthy, bumpy background, I used a bigger liner, probably like 7-9 liner, to get more texture. Yeah. And I think that's about it for now. So next time, there's a chance that I might change some bits and bobs. Maybe some light will come in, because we need to extend this earth line that goes up to there, so it'll meet the background there. You're gonna see in a second where it goes. And maybe perhaps I'm gonna blur this out a bit more blurry. And then this side here will also meet the other side, so we got a soldier there. And this is probably the time I'll ask, maybe you can turn on your front. So this is what we got today. That's where the soldier is. That's actually the soldier that you just saw there. And then this is, it was from World War One, isn't it? Yeah, the First World War. So as you can see, I did a lot of small details, loads of mini small. Fucking hell, this looks actually really good in camera. I'm kind of like, you also guys gonna get that if you actually it's a tool for a while. You will be you get used to seeing the same image for the whole day. You don't think it's anything big, but then if you're gonna take a photo or video, then it shows you differently, and you'll be like, whoa. So now looking at the camera, I can see why my work colleagues were saying, whoa. It looks actually really cool. But yeah, so all this done with light and extra light. Needle wise, 15 mag. Then the bigger areas where I've lined, that was like 7-9 liner just to shade in with corners. 15 mag to like do all the gradation, well, all together summarizing. Same here, I did first with 5 or 7 liner to get earth little details, and then bigger mag to summarize all that. I was actually listening diary of CEO at that moment. I remember the conversation. Small little details here, all done with a 3 round liner. When you get like a bigger sections where you got a little bit more like a chunkier section of shading. That's where I switched to like 5 or 7 mag, like these areas here, and then low ones there. Then straight into 15 mag and black to summarize all that. And I always aim for like that tattoo there was on the other side. I have like a blacks, and then all this will go lighter, but the blacks will stay true. So as cool this is, it should become cooler and more depth and more readable as it heals. Yeah, I didn't include any black in the sky because the sky needs to be like nice and grey. The tension needs to be there. What else I need to mention? Maybe if you turn a little bit there. So here you can see that I finished that. I still need to shade all this, and we need to shade the gun, and then the earth that I said it will link here. That line finishes about there. So it's about here, and then we're just gonna pull the line to there, and yeah, you can put it down. And then most likely I can bring some of those fences there, carry on. But yeah, that was today. We started about 10:30, and then now it's 15 to 7 or quarter to 7. So that makes 7, 8, 9. Fucking hell, a lot of hours. Yeah, busy day. But it's still not done. But I tried to do as much as, and then if you watched yesterday's live, which probably you didn't, I was saying that I'll get to like 80-90%, and I would say I'm really close to like finish, but yeah, I'm pretty drained now, and yeah, we need to have a fresh day, fresh plan. I'm gonna maybe zoom in so you guys can appreciate more of the detail. But yeah, mostly small liners do the small details. All this actually, the helmet parts, because they are bigger and they are more chunkier, I did them with round shaders, and that made that chunky look, damaged look, but solid look. It's big areas. It's like my thumbnail, bigger than that. So needed a big needle, but small enough. You know what I mean. So yeah, that's that. And then the setup is pretty straightforward. Water, all the cartridges that I've used. 2 needles died, I think 7 died, and 9 mag died, so I took new ones out. Yeah, black, dark, light, extra light. 2 of them just in case. That's about it. So that was our day today. We're gonna take some photos now and let this man go home. Or I could give you mic. You don't mind making a little video? No?
I can't, mate.
No?
No, sorry.
No speaking, yeah?
No.
Okay. I was gonna ask how was the healing?
I'll talk to you afterwards, mate.
Sound. Okay, guys. So we're gonna call it here, and then I'll see you in a different video in a different day.